Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd Deals. If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I am back with another review and today I am going to review Cloozo. So Cloozo is a no-code chatbot builder and you can feed this chatbot various data so that it will answer exactly according to your data. And you might ask that there are a lot of chatbots already on the market. So what makes Cloozo different from others? And let me show you that. So here are some of the features that make Cloozo stand out among the chatbot market. You can embed your chatbot on unlimited websites. You can upload multiple files to train your chatbot. You can also scrap unlimited websites. So this is something you do not get on any other chatbots. And another thing that you do not get is this no character limit, which means Cloozo does not have any character limit at all. You can also add your own Pinecone account and you can also add your own OpenAI API key. And the best part is you can add separate OpenAI keys to create separate chatbots and then you can sell those chatbots to your clients, which means you are literally monetizing your chatbots. So this is an amazing feature, and the great news is Cloozo is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. So the regular price is around $300, but at Appsumo you are getting this lifetime deal at only $59. And these are 3 tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. The tier 1 costs $59 with 10 chatbots. The tier 2 costs $99 with 30, and there is an additional feature which means you are not going to get the label that is written powered by Cloozo. And if you want more chatbots, for example 60 chatbots, you can purchase this license tier 3 at only $179. There is also another tier, license tier 4, and this is amazing. It is going to cost you $300, but the chatbot limit is unlimited. You can set unlimited starter questions. You can create unlimited workspaces. There is not going to be any powered by Cloozo label, and you can even white label the embed code. So this is an amazing tier. And if you want to buy any of this tier, the lifetime deal of Cloozo from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. So after you log into Cloozo, you will get this dashboard, and it's a pretty simple dashboard. To start making your chatbots, you have to click on this new workspace. You have to first create a workspace. So let's name this workspace and click on create. Okay, so the workspace has been created. Now I have to open this workspace. And then now on the right top corner, I will see this new chatbot, which means now I can create my chatbot. So click on this and type the chatbot name. And then you have to choose an option. So you can train your chatbot with your own knowledge base, or you can also let your chatbot depend on Google search. So I'm going to select this knowledge base and then click on create. So the chatbot has been created. Now I have to edit or set up this chatbot. So click on edit. And the first thing I have to set up is the OpenAPI key. I need to provide my OpenAPI key here, and you will find your own OpenAPI key on your OpenAPI account. So here is mine. And then I have to choose the temperature for this chatbot, and the standard temperature should be around 0.8 or 0.9. The more you increase it, the more creative and focused your chatbot is going to be. And then you have to choose the GPT model. So let's choose this first one and click on save. Okay, so OpenAPI settings have been done. Now we are in the Pinecone settings. So what is Pinecone exactly? Pinecone is a website that can store your vector database, which means the files and all the data that is available on your website that can be stored on Pinecone. So you have to connect your Pinecone account with Cloozo. As a result, you can very easily scrap the data from your website to Cloozo to train your chatbot. And in Pinecone, you can create an account for absolutely free of charge. So how to create a Pinecone account? For that, go to the Pinecone website. As you can see, this is their website. So let's open this one. And now let's click on sign up free. Now you have to follow the standard sign up procedure. So you can either sign up with Google, GitHub, or also Microsoft. I'm going to go with Google. So the sign up was very easy. All I had to do was select my Google account, and it has already came up with some data like my name. And now you can also provide some additional data such as what is your goal, what are you making. So I'm going to make a chatbot, and what is your preferred coding language. So I'm going to select JavaScript and then click on complete setup. And one project or one Pinecone account has already been created. This is that. So chatbot application. You can also switch to another project or create another project if you want, but one project is going to be created on default, and that is all you need. And then what you have to do is create an index. So index is the folder where you have to store your files. So click on create index. Now you have to provide the index name. For example, it could be clue. And then you have to provide the dimension. And for the dimension, you have to provide 1536. So this is a must. You must provide this dimension when you are creating an index. And about the rest of the other settings, they are going to be default. So now click on create index. Okay, so the index is now created. So now all you have to do is go to this API keys, and then this is your API key. So let's copy this API key, and here we are back, paste the API key. Here is mine. And then you have to type the environment, and you will also get the environment on the API key page. So here is the environment, just copy it and paste it on here. And then you have to provide the index name. So my index name was this one. So let's copy this one and paste it on this. And then you have to provide the host URL. You will also find the host URL on this index page. Here is the host URL. Simply copy this. Now let's go back and paste it on here. And then you can also provide the namespace, or you can leave it as it is because it is an optional box. So now click on save. So the Pinecone settings are also done. Now you can change some appearance settings such as the user chat color, the bot chat color, user chat background color, bot chat background, chat widget color, and also the avatar for your bot. So I'm going to keep it default. Click on save. Now I have to provide a base prompt for my chatbot and also a welcome message. So this prompt is exactly the prompt which is going to be the base or the foundation for your chatbot, the foundation prompt. So let's provide that. So as you can see, I have written a base prompt to create my chatbot. And obviously this is a very basic one. You can also add anything, modify this prompt however you like. And then you also have to provide a welcome message and then simply click on save. And now we are in the data sources section. So now we have to upload some additional data to train our chatbot. So it could be upload a file, and for uploading, the only supported formats are PDF, CSV and TXT file. So once you upload a file, you can click on upload and train to make sure your chatbot is getting proper training. You can also go to this website link to provide the website URL of you, and then it is going to scrap all the data from your website. Or you can also add some other upcoming sources. So Confluence, Airtable, Notion, these are all the upcoming sources. So what I'm going to do is upload a PDF file. So after adding your data source and training your chatbot, you can go to this starter questions, and here you can add some starter questions, which means the questions that are frequently asked by the users of this chatbot. For example, one question could be, for example, this is one frequently asked question. So click on add, and as you can see, it is now added. So every time someone wants to chat with your chatbot, the chatbot is going to recommend if he wants the answer to this question. And this way you can also add some other starter questions. And once all of these settings are done with your chatbot, you can go to embed code. And this is the embed code that you can add to your website. And you have to add this script tag to your website header. And then this chatbot is going to appear on your website. So this is all you have to do to create a chatbot and train your chatbot with Cloozo. Overall, I think Cloozo is an excellent chatbot builder. It has a lot of different ways to train your chatbot, and it also allows you to add your Pinecone account, and using that you can train your chatbot further. So all in all, I have to say Cloozo is an excellent chatbot. It also has a lot of impressive features such as the unlimited website scraping, no character limit, and you can even add separate OpenAI keys for separate chatbots and then sell those to your clients. If you want to buy Cloozo on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Here are all the features that you are going to get, and here are some of the tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. So that's it for our today's video. I hope you have found the video to be helpful. If you do, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content like this.